Hello everyone, welcome back to Tisham's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off screen rotation on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the control center on your iPhone. On newer iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. On older iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Now look for the rotation lock icon. It looks like a lock with a circle around it. Tap on it to turn on rotation lock. When it is turned on, your iPhone screen will stay in portrait mode and won't rotate when you turn your iPhone side away. If you don't see these options in your control center, don't worry. Open the control center, then touch and hold on an empty area until the edit screen appears. Next, tap Add a Console. In the search bar, simply just type lock. Then tap on the portrait orientation log to add it to your control center. Now you can easily use this button to turn the screen rotation on or off whenever you want. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechChamps for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.